Hi, I'm Shobha from the AutoCAD MEP team here at Autodesk. The AutoCAD MEP software is the version of AutoCAD for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing designers and drafters. In AutoCAD MEP 2012, we have made it really easy for you to add and edit HVAC components in your drawing. In this video, I'll show you what's new in AutoCAD MEP 2012. Setting up the engineering units for ducts. How to use the new Duct Properties palette. Using the reducing elbow part. And using the transition offset bend method. So let me show you how to use all this. I go to the drawing setup from the app menu. In the HVAC tab, I set my display units. These settings are displayed for velocity, friction, and flow rate. I click here to save these settings as default. Before I start drawing the duct, I set the duct parts that my drawing should use by default. In the Style Manager, I select HVAC objects, duct part routing preferences. For the HV objects that I'll add to my drawing, I want to modify the standard routing preference. I retain the connection type as I want to use slip joint. I add an offset transition part for the round duct and a reducing elbow for the rectangular duct. Both these parts are new in AutoCAD MEP 2012. And in my drawing, I will be showing you how to use them. Now that my defaults are set, I start drawing. I click the Add grip. Notice how the Properties palette is activated. I select my duct system here and my routing preference, which is standard. Then I select the shape of the duct. I am routing a 250 by 200 rectangular duct. To connect to the diffuser placed in this room, which has an inlet size of 125 by 125, I change my duct size in the Properties palette to 125 by 125. I continue drawing the duct. Notice how a reducing elbow is automatically added? This is because I chose this elbow type in the Style Manager. In the previous versions of AutoCAD MEP, I could not simultaneously draw an elbow and reduce the duct size. Because of that, as you can see here, I have ended up with more parts, such as this straight elbow and this reducer. You can choose either method from the Preferences dialog. You can select to use a single reducing elbow part like I used here, or a straight elbow and a reducer. Getting back to my duct, to get a straight connection, I align my duct and the diffuser using the location grip. Let me verify if I have the correct terminal duct connection selected. In the Advanced section of the Properties palette, I select Elbow with Rigid Duct. I connect the duct to the diffuser, and it is connected using Elbow with Rigid Duct connection type. In this part of my drawing, I need to offset my duct around this pillar. And I need to change the shape of the duct from rectangular to round to connect to the diffuser. AutoCAD MEP 2012 allows you to do both these tasks in just one step. I click the Add grip. And in the Properties palette, I change the bend method to transition offset. Next, I change the shape to round and enter a diameter of 200 millimeters. Notice when I start drawing the duct, a transition offset part is automatically added. I choose a flexible terminal duct connection from the Properties palette. Continue drawing the duct and connect it to the diffuser. As you see, it is connected using a flexible duct. In this video, I've shown you what's new in AutoCAD MEP 2012. We've seen how to set engineering units for ducts, how to use the Duct Properties palette, how to use the reducing elbow, and how to use the transition offset bend method. I hope you enjoy using AutoCAD MEP 2012 as much as I have enjoyed showing these features to you.